Wow, this stick has all the knowledge of the book inside. I would like to have such a gadget for X-certified boxes. My name is Peter and I have found a smart tool for highly complex boxes with X certification. If you are interested, watch this video. Enclosures with X certification are challenging tasks for the engineering. Every component has to be released for the special environmental conditions. Therefore, I have to find and understand the datasheet. In the end, this datasheet and certification is needed for the documentation of the project. On top of this, the project needs to be reviewed as a whole system with distances and rated values, for example. Hey Weidmüller, do you have an easier solution for me? Yes, the Weidmüller configurator, or short WMC. The WMC knows the rules and supports you in the whole planning phase. You define the environmental parameters and create your personal layout of cable glands and terminal rails. The complete documentation, including all datasheets, is directly generated by the WMC. That's very easy and will relieve your engineer in the project. But Weidmüller offers even more. With the fast delivery service, we will deliver you the fully assembled enclosures. With the request button, you send us the project data and get an automatic offer within minutes. Based on this, you can place the order and get your box ready to install. Fully certified, out of a qualified X assembly process. If you want to learn more about the fast delivery service and the WMC, please check the video description. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.